Sophia, Goshen, Prashant, Saina, Rishabh, Rachel, Leah, Genesis.
Okay, give it up!
Kathleen, तपाईँ पनि आउनुहोस् एकछिनको लागि दर्पण तपाईँ आउनुहोस् निलिमा तपाईँ आउनुहोस् सारो सर यु क्यान अल्सो कम
मैं कहते क्या
Yo आत्माले तपाईलाई विश्राम पाउँछ अरू कहिले पनि मिल्दैन सन्तुष्टि यीशु तपाईमा आत्मा सन्तुष्ट हुन्छ यसरी जोड्नु राख्नुहोस् मलाई What just the just the Bible to the Bible to It's in this.
This is an insult.
Yes, a great insult. An insult you should crush.
A child? You expect me to fight a child?
No, no way. No, of course not. But yes, that's exactly what I expect you to do.
Do you think that's unfair? I will make you a snack for the crows.
Or maybe they get a giant feast.
I suppose it would be a shame to have come all this way for nothing. Oops. Missed. Are you sure you want to deal with this kid? You don't even have a real weapon.
Maybe he can live now.
You think your weapons can do anything against the God who parted the sea? The God who came in a pillar of fire?
Wait. What are you saying?
You come against me with sword and spear, but I come against you in the name of the God of heaven and earth. The battle is his, and he will give you into our hands.
My God! Here I was, thinking I saw myself a boy into a man's jaw. And actually, he was sent to fight a God! Where God's born lightning, here's what the get behind. Who would like to see a lion turn on a God?
No. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So लोकेर लम्बुले त्यति मात्रै हो त्योभन्दा दामी त हामी गर्छौँ भनेर बाजेलाई home from this camp, what are the that will show that you really love God? When God looks at you, He knows that, उसले मलाई I love you भन्छ, साँच्चै नै हो रहेछ. What are the 3 things you will do? You, Maya? Okay, school, churchमा.
अगाडि वचन हुँदैछ बाइबलभित्र फोन राखेर
Okay. So बाहिरबाट के हुँदैछ चर्च सर्भिस हुँदैछ फोन के अरे बाइबलभित्र फोन राखेर Does God feel loved? Right? Okay, thank you. How about okay, what is that? Gossiping. Right? I lift my hands भन्यो. Fighting with each other. Okay, great. यता के हो? Slapping. Slapping your brother openly. What else के छ? Is it you? Okay. Can you say it in the speaker?
He doesn't want to share his notes with his friend in the school or the homework. Those things.
Not helping your friends, right? Okay, that's so good. Next one, is there anyone? Anyone else? Why? Okay. Give them a big round of applause. Okay, what is Kripa doing?
What is Kripa doing? Can anybody guess?
What is she doing?
She doesn't want to study. She's making excuses. She doesn't want to study. She does that sometimes.
So making excuses, right? All right. Okay, next one.
Next one is Gianna and Neha.
Okay.
What is this?
Loving each other, right? Okay, that was very clear. All right.
Okay, now we have Avidan.
Avidan. What are you doing?
He is playing football. His mother doesn't allow him to play football inside, but he does it anyways.
Oh, he doesn't listen, right? Oh,
He doesn't listen to his mom.
And toppling the flower vase, eh? Table my glass, eh? Okay, okay,
Now
that's
we
great.
have Jennifer. Late at night, she is scrolling on her phone, even though her mother doesn't allow her.
Ah, okay. That's a big round of applause for her.
हामीले जब कुरा गरिरहेको थियौँ त्यो क्वेसनको विषयमा एउटा कुरा मलाई एकदमै मन परेको चाहिँ नानीहरू एकदमै अनेस्ट भएर आन्सर गरिरहेको थियो उनीहरूले सो सबैले नै आन्सर गरेको छ बट देयर आर 3 अफ देम जसले चाहिँ एक्ट गरेर देखाउन चाहन्छ सो तिनजना अगाडि हेर्नु ओके 1 by 1 भन्नु ल ओके सो नानीले चाहिँ के गर्नुभएको थियो भन्ने गर्दा मम्मीले भन्नुभएको थियो अरे बदमास नगर्नु बट उसले चाहिँ घरमा फोन खोलेर उसले कुनै एउटा अननोन वेबसाइट उसले खोलेछ अनि त्यो उसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ त्यो फोन ह्याक हुन आँटेको थियो रहेछ सो त्यसै कारणले हामीले मम्मीको कुरा सुन्नुपर्ने हुन्छ भनेर उसले आफै त्यो कुरा भनिरहेको थियो है हुन्छ उसलाई चाहिँ मम्मीले पढ्नु भन्नुभएको थियो बट उसकोमा बल थियो रहेछ अनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा ठुलो वल पनि थियो अरे उसले के गरे आफ्नो चप्पल पनि खोल्यो अरे अनि त्यो बल उता वलको उतापट्टि फेक्यो अरे चप्पल पनि उतापट्टि फेकेर उसले वल नाग्यो भनेर भन्दै थियो मलाई अनि उसले पढ्नु चाहिँ पढेन अरे हुन्छ ओके नेक्स्ट ओके सो उसले भन्नु खोज्दैछ मम्मीले उसलाई बललाई नछुनु भनेको थियो बट उसले चाहिँ के गर्यो भन्दाखेरि बललाई उसले छुयो पनि बलसँग खेल्यो पनि अनि त्यसले गर्दाखेरि सिसा पनि फुट्यो अनि भरे जब मम्मी ब्याक आउनुभयो घर त्यति बेला चाहिँ उसले मम्मीलाई आफ्नो अनेस्टली भन्यो अरे मैले यो मिस्टेक गरेँ मम्मी प्लिज मलाई माफ गरिदिनुहोस् पनि भन्यो अरे उसले
Okay, thank you guys. Big round of applause. Wonderful. Great.
It's the lily of the valley, bright morning star. He's a great. I will sing until the time when Jesus comes. He's my hoop, he's my hoop, hoop, hoop. He's my bright morning star. No matter what they say, I will on my knees and pray. I will sing until the time when Jesus comes. He's my hoop, hoop, hoop. He's my girl. He's my bling, 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 bling. No matter what they say, I will on my knees and pray. I will sing until the time when Jesus comes. I will sing until the time. काम गरौँ न म के भन्छु भन्दा कि तिमीहरूको ग्रुपको नाम लेख्थ्यो के थियो अरे नाम चाहिँ कस्तो कस्तो अरे म बाइबल भन्नु ए बाइबल ए तिमीहरूको टिम हो लुक अन्त अर्को के अरे जन ओके म तिमीहरूको ग्रुपको नाम दिन्छु जुन चाहिँ ग्रुप जोडले पढाउँछ त्यसलाई एक्स्ट्रा पोइन्ट के कस्तो भाउ
Beautiful.